Well, as I promised you yesterday, I'm going to teach you how we are going to make these flowers to decorate your hat, okay? If you want, you can put a pom-pom too, but in this case, I want to show you how you can decorate your hat with these beautiful flowers. We are going to start making 5 chains, and we are going to close in circle like this. We will go up with 2 chains, and now inside this ring, we are going to make double crochets of 3 crochets. We are going to make 2 double crochets of 3 crochets together, then 2 chains, and inside this ring single crochet. This will be the first petal, and like this we are going to make 5. I will show you how. So again we will repeat, okay? So we are going to go up with 2 chains, then inside the ring we are going to make 2 double crochets of 3 crochets. So here we have 1. Let's make the second one, then 2 chains and single crochet. Like this we are going to make 3 more until we have 5 petals. Okay, so let's continue. Well, if you want, you can finish here and make different flowers in different colors and decorate your hat with different flowers. But in this case I want to show you how you can make a flower in 2 levels. Okay, how this could be in relief. So we are going to make 5 chains, and we are going to insert a hook right behind like this to the petal. Then we are going to pass it through the ring and single crochet. Again 5 chains, and we are going to repeat the same here in between these petals. Right behind it we are going to insert our hook, and we are going to pass it through the ring and single crochet. And we are going to make 1 wave behind each petal. So if we made 5 petals, we must have at the end 5 waves like this one. Okay, so let's finish and see you there. Well, at the end, when we finish to make these waves, we are going to change color. If you want, you can continue with the same, but I want to teach you how we can switch. Well, we are going to make a knot right here. I'm going to use the white yarn. I remember that at the end we are going to hide all of these loosened threads, so don't worry. Now with this color we are going to slip 1 right to the next and to the first wave, and we are going to go up with 2 chains, and right here inside this wave we are going to make, instead of 2 double crochets, we are going to make 4 or 3 double crochets. Okay, so here we have 3 and 4. Again 2 chains, and right here where we finished the last wave, here we're going to insert our hook. We are going to make a slip 1. We are going to slip 1. Then we are going to slip 1 again. Then we are going to go up with 2 chains, and again inside the wave we are going to make 4 double crochets. And this is what we are going to make in each wave and behind each petal that we made. Okay, remember that at the end we are going to make 2 chains, and we are going to insert our hook, and we are going to slip 1 right where the wave finished. And like this is how we are going to continue, and this is how we are going to make the flower in relief. So this is how we are going to continue. Okay, I would make 1 petal again so you can see. I want to make sure that this is clear and that you really understand. Remember that the main point is that you learn with me, okay? And if you make this break, please let me know, and let me know here in the comments if this flower was helpful or not. Okay, please let me know. So like this is how we are going to continue until we finish all the flower. Well, at the end you will have something like this. If you want to put 1 level more, well, you are going to repeat. You are going to put 5 chains, and then you are going to make your waves, and then, well, you know the rest. Okay, in this case I'm going to stop here. I'm going to cut this thread, and this is how I'm going to finish. I'm going to pull, and now I'm going to leave this long thread. So with my embroidery needle I'm going to sew. So that's why I leave this long thread, and this is how we are going to place all the flowers that we made This is up to you. You can make as many flowers as you like, and you can switch colors and create many designs and just have fun making this beautiful hat. Well, I hope that you like this video. I hope that this flower is very useful also for your coming projects. I think that you will use it a lot, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. See you very soon. If I can, I will post a new video this Saturday, but I will see how much time I have left, because as you know, we also make videos in Spanish, so we have a lot of work to do. But if I can, with all my love, I will make one video for you this Saturday, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!